Me mamuni akwaba eba Melody TV so. Em say na watch we mu a me bebo audio bi tremo obi nim audio bi na trending. Na mu a mo share social media space no. That particular audio and video attached to that audio no so na trended pan people were laughing. Na nini na say you were June mu I think some 5 days back. Na June 3rd. Na June 3rd yen 5 years ago. At Renchama eto Ghana ankofu bebre ewuye. So in this video, Obinim or in this audio, Obinim was talking about him saving people. Was say wadane ne ho angel Jesus emane dane angel eko save na soremba mienu bia nanka ensio no ebe form sa June 3rd no. Na wobobo nkrofo bi din wobo maami bi din was say Vic sister bi and I was also bo papa bi din I was say a friend of Freddie Cheimensa. Freddie Cheimensa wa wonim Ghana social media and ayenka media kra no entertainment space no obehu say Freddie Cheimensa is a very big person. A lot of times wako radio, so he's a pundit on a lot of radio stations. Say Diasa wamoye Diasa no one of the judges. We will be about entertainment more. He's very popular. Into what Freddie Cheimensa din intino na e was say Nkrofo etie say Freddie Cheimensa asema will be nim e kan fa hono no eye ne kra na. Now ebia na today is your first time awuti asem we nti de meye ne say mebo will be nim audio na wo ka sesenia wadane angel eko save Ghana for no Freddie Cheimensa so akasa wono so tre say ensem no say ni see ye and then we will try to put ensem no together and see say asema ekoso no eye ne kra anasa enye ne kra. I know say ebimo mo believe you obinim no mo adwemu no mo say eye ne kra. Those who also don't believe in obinim no so mo ka say obinim chantro. So what we will do and they say we will listen to both sides obinim and nipa what can say will save you know what the person said into yenko tie from the beginning how obinim saved people as an angel and then we continue from there.
It was Jimmy did a Janet Miss Mamma Semen Concobuano, no Maquabuano. And I will be a name and should be a tall June 3rd be a circle I'm going for free Jimmy. Me was sister Bakubi because me done him with different person. I tell myself as a different person. I mean for four because soon me done when papa for essay overall. And me you win me you wait because in short or second Janet Petro name. We were down the Jesus catching to be me fast. You're fast. Na ka onko yi nkrofo na me say no see e jabi say it me damn pass na me local pro na me spirit ni pie na me ye fast call circle. Me call circle na fe jam ya me jiji. Hey. Me hwe na omo ye me mba pa ye ma asole ma ye tupe. Ba kwa ne fe na vehicle obedi adanse e na Mr. Freddie Cheimensa. Because you are more fun than Musa Bacoso Shabro Samson and say, we also come my friend Richard Ayulugu. No, so me have fast to call Richard or Coyino. I think Musa may be annual. But me friend that girl back could be in a while, a journey should be seno. When Jesus Christ on your back, or my wash about or what that he was the most actually. It is Gino, because we Christo knew. One of me have fast and really showing him. This is only bad was never done and trying to show him now. But then it's how we find the left. Bad and the free hole. You only bad is not what you see, baby. Brahma that was a fair chola me gra but when him say me because Jesus catch him say okọ that he would mess asole but we Christo ni obo Yesu din eti me ye adwuma man krofo bi but omo nim say me
deep revelation.
Wow masa aso me ken Bible say only part what one over bia no Jesus Christ will judge you one day in heaven. Please, I came for purpose. I'm here for assignment. When I finish my assignment, I'll go back. So you are talking bad to Obinim. Be very careful and extra careful. Because me come here some bonnet kim. Na angels are a washing na egaw. To Obi born by Obeja because what can you hear one some?
I'm just remembering them.
Egaw
I'm just remembering them.
E better na what you aka say wo dia dan say baako.
Yes, in Timabo audio, no me sure say unim audio na nasisi awehu. If today is your first time you are hearing this, yes, during the week, this particular audio and the video attached to the audio was trending. Now for Ebo Binimechi said, hey, Obinim, said the Yayo Nini still about Bonte Becans and say. Now, a brand here now were involved, a Freddy Chairman Sano, and also about Bonting Ebekasa, say Asama will be Nimekano, a Yanacre. Because on no Freddy Chairman said that particular day, will you be our jingles a man crofube with radio stations anywhere. He has a studio, he does jingles for them. It was a same way pan there, a Yanacre, because what I said that particular day. Now what Babe Pie Aqua Bonting Aqua Fat ne jingle now why ye ewo ni studio no na ni studio no so baby obeko no wo befa sa place ya ye si eja ekoko hyehye ye no nti na wo ba be pie na eho wo pie obi anipu no wo be pie na obi nim ne picture e flashing wo nenim there and then na wo bi nim trend say menko bebia na wo bi nim sanso yerae nti wo no de wo say assembly no it didn't happen physically but spiritually because he wasn't even there in the first place. Inti yango tie wono so asem na yegotie wono so asem ba I have questions that I'll be asking because in some the media makatrel and then so will be e kan asem ane ya gine bako na edi. Inti yango tie wono so asem ne emra.
Video ni bi. Obi ni mu se na sorry members no mo ye mienu. Freche mensa wo. That's right. And obo another lady Vic. Na obeyi mu free mu. But we also know said that they na uniho. Na uni sin ho.
Obey him film, he was talking about spiritual matters.
Also be you free, so anymore.
Yeah, that's why he was look, the topic right now in that day, no, how spiritual things work. It's one video, no, actually 3 minutes but it's a full video. Okay. I always explaining here, it took Oka to be him film, you know. He was talking about spiritual matters where you film.
Yes, physical.
That be physical, they say, because I wasn't there.
Yes.
He was talking about spiritual matters and physical. That be even physical, so be done soon or done in Hawaii. And it's true.
It's true, so be you.
Yes, because 4 o'clock on yes, me free, you know. I was about to open my door. I didn't tea and say, I sign, finish. Let the thing got lost. I thought as a sign of
Obinimu pure when you
physical.
The wedding my jedi.
I also need because you did you that's on you.
And then yes, I want a proof.
What was the proof? His image flashed me and says a sign. Other was a spiritual pilot or Masa
Nanka o pia kwen.
Can I cost to Wakoyi? Akoji
jingle no
something me back no.
Yes.
They touch me, you know, that they me for so no so on Congo yi. Or so on co.
Wo ka se won ko no so ba ne ko.
So on co. Do ka be the lie say wa dey.
Oba dey no.
Kese
Yeah, o yes that benum go.
Oh then they call you. It's all
invest. Ubie udo apia bonten no.
And the new image be was a sign. Flash.
Now when you so.
Yes. Okay. Flash. You see me? And I'm cut now. I didn't go.
Okay.
Because that story could be a dance. Sammy or I. On a minute call. You should want to cook a video now. I'm not telling me can be behind to embellish or be so I am a day.
Okay.
And I want to mention say be a home. I go school. I will never see anything to lift the man. That be but spiritual powers. Opa GD me Freddy man dem get spiritual. Dem form into me spiritual powers idi.
Okay.
Can we make step?
It's here for assem no. I just have some simple questions. Em say papa na babontin here be confirm say nekre there will be ni make na nekre. But you see the way Obinim spoke. Obinim ayeti ase say it happened and our koyi. So a lot of Ghanaians knew and a lot of Ghanaians saw it as physical. So Obinim ekoye ne physical. Papa also say na wo ni ho that particular time. Na one also air say Obinim appear to know but when drew baby a no Obinim make say wo ko save no. And no one thing I Ghana for yenye the yentia say because personally for me no e ho na na because the way Obinim was speaking we all understood say ade ni sini no koko saving ni pakro no not knowing papa when so say na ade ni nsi but a bit to me about the session and Crawford say something happens in the spiritual before it manifests in the physical. No, ebia and no be NAC. For me, I don't really know much about those things. You know, the question I'm asking, no. Now, the second question I'll ask is, you see, when in no, it boils down to a point. If we are made to believe that Obinim is this powerful, if we are being made to believe that yes, Obinim etumi ye nyama we na, and then he's saying say in some way ye can't on so and the Kennedy Japan can't on so ne the Nkrofo can't on so ni nia why isn't he doing something for us to see say nekre you are powerful? The American meaning some what you see there. The man is confirming say nekre Obinim did that to save him. But and there will be him one no. What yare ya no call hospital. Why isn't he saving himself? Into way na say Ghana ni bi so aginechi na wo hu sa de we ni na Ghana ni ne beka say we ni na, but you see say na me de bia me ka trem no me say kan de etwa ha. That's a question that will be bisa. I'll not be angry with the person. But will be so to me ya no aka say Yesu Christo kra no so you powerful, but ye be che ne say ye kwa kokunu no. Ojaye ema ye kun no. Obi nso beka sa asem no. But asem ne de me de asem papa ye ken. Eya me na maybe because it didn't happen to me. That's why. But obviously send your no kan ye no atono into no one expect say wa wo ti na echi no be believe. But the asem na brel whether you believe it or not. Ye de be ya ne say ye de asem no ebe bremo. So that's that. Munche mwa jo comment box me for me that say.